Queen Maxima of the Netherlands looks stunning in a scarlet cape while visiting a sustainable shoes recycling factory. For her engagement at the fast food grinded factory in Eindhoven, the Argentinian-born European monarch chose a deep red color palette. Throughout her tour, the mother of three wore a long flowing piece outwear over her red crown neck long sleeve top. She then wore it with a pair of charcoal gray tweed straight length trousers. The royal completed her look with a pair of grey suede pointed heels and a boxy red clasp bag. Queen Maxima Polite's ensemble was completed by her dark brown nails and purple and green stone statement earring. For today's engagement, the monarch wore her hair straight and a brown smoky eye with a nude lips. During her visit, the royal was given a tour of the factory and met with employees to discuss their environmental missions. Fast food grinded factory, according to the company's websites, pulverizes all shoes that can no longer be worn and use this material to create new trainers. Since its inception in 2008, the company has recycled over 700,000 pairs of shoes. Queen Maxima appears to be passionate about sustainability, as she presented eco-friendly company museums with their own plaque for sustainability entrepreneurship last year. Queen Maxima looked as vibrant as ever in red flower print coat as visited designer in Eindhoven today. The Dutch royal looked stunning in the scarlet gown, which she wore over an all-yellow ensemble for her visit notice and home of design Kazerne. She wore a masted turtleneck with matching flared trousers, accessorying with a beaded necklace. To complement her leather boots, the European monarch carried a bronze statement clutch with a wooden handle. The mother of three went for a casually glam look, complete with dark eyes and rosy lipstick, and wore her blondie hair done in a relaxed style. Her skin was dewy and sun-kissed one recent trip to the Caribbean. Queen Maxima smiled as she spoke with designers preparing to present their work in Milan next spring, as well as those who had already visited the Italian city. The Queen also attended a workshop, sitting around a table with attendees and listening intently. Ulysses is workspace for designers of all disciplines, from illustrators to architects. Home of Design Kazerne appears to be more focused on artistic endeavors such as sculptures and interior design.